Amen. Imagine yourself enjoying in a pool. Nakaluklub yung buong katawan mo sa swimming pool. Na-enjoy mo kahit nasa ilalim ka ng sikat ng araw. At pag-ahon mo, kung titignan mo yung mga inaapakan mo, may marka. Same thing in your spiritual life. Once you enjoy the presence of God, your footprint, kita yan ng kaaway. Kita rin ng tao kung paano tayo lumaki. Kung tayo aahon mula sa pool of the presence of God, ito yung napakaganda. Everything you touch becomes wet. Basang-basa ka, no? Lahat ng hihipuin mo, mababasa. There is the power. Kung puspos ka ng Espiritu ng Diyos, you have ability to cast out devils. To lay hands, cast out devils, heal the sick. Why? You are wet-spirit of God. Gusto mong may maramdaman silang espesyal para sa Diyos? Pakapuspos ka sa presensya